We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service is issuing new severe thunderstorm warnings for eastern Denton County, western Collin County, and northern Dallas County until 11. Severe thunderstorm is located over Prosper, just west of McKinney, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. This storm may contain 2-inch hail and 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. North Dallas, Plano, Garland, Irving, Mesquite, McKinney, Denton, Richardson, Louisville, University Park, Farmers Branch, and Saxe could all be in the path of this storm, including Rowlett, and the storm will eventually track toward Rockwall County as well. Severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Denton, western Collin, and northern Dallas counties until 11 o'clock. Severe thunderstorm over Prosper, 2-inch hail, 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.